From this video, you will get tips to prepare for new AI-103 exam replacement of AI-102. What is AI-103? Developing AI apps and agents on Azure. AI-103 versus AI-102. What has changed? Skills measured in the AI-103 exam. Preparation strategies to pass the AI-103 exam. 1. A developer needs to select the best model for a chatbot that supports complex reasoning and natural conversation. Which model type is most appropriate? A. OCR model. B. Large language model, LLM. C. Relational database engine. D. CDN edge service. Answer: B. 2. Which Microsoft Foundry capability is most appropriate for implementing Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG? A. DNS management. B. Virtual machine scaling. C. Vector search and grounding services. D. Firewall policy routing. Answer: C. 3. Which deployment approach best supports automated testing and release management for AI applications? A. Manual FTP deployment. B. Shared network folders. C. Local desktop installation. D. C/CD pipeline integration. Answer: D. 4. Which Azure AI security feature helps reduce exposure of secrets and credentials in applications? A. Keyless credentials and managed identity. B. Browser cookies. C. Local text files. D. Shared administrator passwords. Answer: A. 5. An organization wants to prevent unsafe AI-generated responses and enforce content moderation policies. What should be configured? A. RAID policies. B. Safety filters and guardrails. C. DHCP reservations. D. CPU throttling. Answer: B. 6. A developer is building a multi-step AI workflow that combines retrieval, reasoning, and tool execution. What type of solution is this? A. Traditional static website. B. Local file service. C. Agentic workflow. D. DNS forwarding solution. Answer: C. 7. Which technique improves generative AI responses by retrieving external knowledge before generation? A. RAID mirroring. B. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG. C. VLAN segmentation. D. Image compression. Answer: B. 8. A developer needs to monitor latency, token usage, and safety signals for deployed AI agents. Which capability should be implemented? A. Observability and tracing. B. BIOS updates. C. Printer queue management. D. Local DNS caching. Answer: A. 9. Which AI feature helps detect prompt injection attempts hidden inside uploaded images? A. GPU overclocking. B. Disk partitioning. C. Local caching. D. Indirect prompt injection detection. Answer: D. 10. A developer needs to extract structured fields, layout information, and OCR text from documents for downstream AI reasoning. Which capability is most appropriate? A. Azure Content Understanding. B. Virtual Machine Snapshots. C. Packet Filtering. D. CDN Caching. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.